Today is October 23rd, 2025. Here is the latest update on Bigbear.ai Holdings, ticker Bbai, trading on the NYSE. Bbai stock closed recently at $6.71, up about 1.51% or 10 cents for the day. The stock traded between $6.60 and $6.84 with a market cap of approximately $2.49 billion. Over the past year, the stock has shown volatility with a 52-week low of $1.51 and a high near $10.36. The earnings per share stands at minus 1.58, reflecting ongoing investments in AI technology and analytics. Bigbear.ai specializes in AI-powered analytics and cyber solutions for government and commercial sectors, positioning itself as a growing player in the AI space. For trading strategy, watch support near the 50-day moving average at $4.95. Consider entering long positions near support levels with stop-loss orders slightly below to manage downside risk. Momentum traders might look for a breakout above today's high near $6.84 for further gains. Given the volatility, protective options such as puts could be used for risk management. In summary, Bbai shows steady technical strength with growth potential as of October 23, 2025. Careful entry and risk controls are key for trading this AI-focused stock. This concludes the Bigbear.ai stock update and trading strategy.